குட்டீஸ், வெல்கம் டு பிரியாஸ் கிட்ஸ் டைரி. இந்த வீடியோ இப்பதான் நீங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் பாக்குறீங்கன்னா மறக்காம சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணி பக்கத்துல இருக்க ஆல் பட்டனையும் கிளிக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Hi குட்டீஸ், welcome to our channel. Today we draw balls. First we draw baseball. We draw two curves on both sides. Now I am drawing little arrows. Hey, it's coloring time. We colored the baseball with yellow color. I like to play with baseball. Wow, it's so colorful. Come on, let's make a magic. This baseball is rotating. Now we draw football. We colored the football with rainbow colors. First we draw the pentagon shape. It's time to color the football. First we color red. Yellow. Sky blue. Green. Purple. Pink. Wow, we colored the beautiful football. Come on cuties, let's make a magic. Hey, football is rotating. Next we draw basketball. It's time to color. We colored the basketball with orange color. Basketball is a very interesting game. I like to play basketball. Do you like to play? we colored the basketball. Let's make a magic. Wow! Come on, cuties. Next, we draw volleyball. It's time to color the volleyball. First I color sky blue. Next we color yellow. Now we draw the volleyball. Let's make a magic. Come on, cuties. Next we draw tennis ball. I like to play tennis very much. Now we color the tennis ball. I color only a green color. Hey, we colored the tennis ball. Come on, let's make a magic. Wow! It's time to learn the ball names. Baseball, football, basketball, volleyball, tennis ball. Subscribe for more videos.